So this is a short demo of the Expert 360 Lightning adapter for Dynamic CRM Online. So our starting point for this will be our Dynamic CRM instance. We've got a contact set up called Lightning Adapter. Have a quick look at it and we can see we've got some basic information, but we have no email address on the contact details. So what we'll now do is start up a new Lightswitch project, and we're just using a standard Silverlight Lightswitch application here. We'll call it Demo 1, and we're going to add the Dynamic CRM adapter as a data source for this project and create a screen to allow us to update the contact details. So the first thing we need to do is actually activate the adapter on the project. So we're going to extensions and enable the Dynamic CRM adapter. This then allows us to add the data source, which is a WCF REST service. This should show up now in our list, and we'll be able to select the entities we want to use for our application. There we go. So this brings us to a configuration screen where we can select the entities we want to use. In this case, I'm just going to add them all. And we need to then add a pointer to our configuration file, which holds our credential information for accessing our Dynamic CRM Online instance, which I'll show you at the end. So here we go. We just add the path in with our credentials file and click on Finish, and that will take us to our Lightswitch application with our full list of entities. And you can see it has the full set of relationships between the entities on the adapter. The one we're interested in actually for this demo is the contacts. Again, you can see the links to other entities within the Dynamic CRM Online instance. So what we'll now do is we'll minimize that and add a screen. And what we're going to do is add a basic Lightswitch screen, which is a list detail. So we'll do that for contact and contact details. Okay, that, and you can see what will actually happen is Lightswitch will create us a screen with every single attribute of that entity on there, and it even detects which kind of controls we need, whether it be date, time, checkboxes or text fields, and that's basically because the adapter provides the correct metadata about each field. So all I'm going to do is go straight into running the application, and it will create us the Lightswitch app with the contact details, list detail screens. And this will just take a couple of seconds to start up. And in the background, what's actually happening is the credentials file is being used. It's accessing Dynamic CRM Online, authenticating us, and it's retrieving our set of contacts from that CRM Online instance. So as soon as this is finished, we'll see on the screen, there we go, the contact list detail screen, and we can see it's in the process of downloading our data, and then we'll go in and edit the particular contact we're interested in, and we'll do a basic update, which is just to add the email address. Okay, here we go. So let's pick on the Lightning Adapter, which is our demo contact. You can see it's got all sorts of information in there, and it even gives us the pick lists from the CRM instance if we need to select different values for those. Okay, here's our email field, and we'll just put in our Lightning email address. We'll click on Save, and you can see the little star icon there indicates that the record is dirty and needs updating. And basically we could go through any of these records and update 20, 30 of them, click on Save, and it just update the lot. And then we'll just check that's worked, so we'll refresh that, and yep, we can see there the Lightning email address has been added to our CRM Online instance. And that's pretty much it. So again, it supports full insert, update, delete functionality for the Dynamic CRM. So help yourself to a copy of that free adapter from Expert 360. Here's just a quick overview of the XML file, which supports both actually on-premise and online instances of Dynamics, just with a different endpoint type. And all that information is available in the forum. Okay, thanks very much for watching this demo.